We decided to go to Santiago, Chile, and conduct both a presentation and hands-on training. We had glazing, waterproofing, and we did a little bit of roofing.
We discussed some of the finer points of the application to make sure that we do the little things so we have success in these markets. The big benefit for these training sessions is not only does the contractor get face-to-face time with us, it helps us develop the relationship with these customers.
Different geographical areas have different ways of doing things, and understanding some of their challenges. When you hear it over the phone, it's one thing, but to actually walk in their shoes for a short amount of time to understand the people that they're dealing with.
Talk to the contractors, the spec writers, the architects, the engineers, and find out really what they need from a product line point of view.
It sheds a light to make us all better as an organization for Tremco and to make our installers better.